Welcome to Aashwasan. This December 29th and 30th, we will eagerly wait to meet you at the first ever Global Kodava Summit at Kodagu. Before we meet, get to know more about the visionary founder, globally renowned spiritual scientist, and award-winning inventor of Aashwasan Sciences, Boppanda Rashmi Aiyappa, and her creation, Aashwasan. Born to Boppanda Lieutenant Colonel B.B. Aiyappa and Mrs. Juka Aiyappa, and a blissful mother of Reina Aiyappa, Rashmi Aiyappa was born with the life experience of timelessness and Lifeforce mechanism. 30 years of her living with this phenomenon culminated her life journey into a revolutionary science in 2005 called Aashwasan Science. The birth of Aashwasan Science manifested her inventions into tools and techniques that could connect the lives of people to their infinite selves. A science that encompasses the mechanisms of all life forms into a single dynamic format, demystifying the root cause of all unknown, be it a disease, situations of life, relationships, or not knowing oneself at all. She is a creator of a space, Aashwasan, that has an answer beyond religion, belief, faith, logic, and philosophy. It is an experience. Recognized as an iconic leader by Women Economic Forum, honored with the Global Peace Leadership and Excellence Award by World Peace Conference, acknowledged as one of the 50 most impactful social innovators by World CSR Congress. Her inventions and innovative solutions have been acknowledged by the NGO Expo, which showcased the work of Aashwasan Foundation in New York in 2017, and honored with the prestigious Mahatma Award for 3 consecutive years, 2019, 20, and 21, for the contribution made in the area of social good and well-being and maximizing human potential. Awarded as Top Women CEOs of India in 2021 and 2022 by Women Entrepreneur magazine, listed by Forbes India as a visionary founder for Appian Software in 2023, she continuously offers her inventions for human good and to enable people to experience their infinite potential. At Kodagu, Rashmi Aiyappa is creating a retreat center which will have a structural design that replicates the subtle energy techniques invented by her to enable people to experience the science behind her inventions. Aashwasan Retreat Center will be a space for every individual to find life-transforming solutions for health, education, corporate growth, empowerment of the youth, and the differently abled. Such an initiative has been brought forth to the world for the first time. And for the first time, the world will be witnessing a global summit of Kodavas. He is hoping that we all make this event a grand success.